Hello students, welcome back to the another session of our C tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate or find out the sum of digit of a given number. So before going to the details of the program, let's start the logic. First we understand the logic, then only we will go to the details of implementation. For example, the number is given, if the number is given 1, 2, 3. So what is our objective? Sum of digit. Digit are 1, 2, 3. So output should be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So if I enter the 1, 2, 3, output should be 6. We know how to do the addition. There are one operator is available, that is the plus operator. So in C, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus operator is present. So by help of the addition or plus operator, we can go for addition. Next question, how I can get the 1, 2, 3? If I divided this number by 10, then what happened? We got the value 12. But if I go for 1, 2, 3 modulus 10, modulus 10 means it is 12, 1, 20 and remainder is 3. Remainder 3 means I can get the value of 3 here. So if n is equal to 1, 2, 3, if I go for n modulus 10, what is the value right now? N is 1, 2, 3. So modulus is 3 or not? So first I can get the value, that is the 3. Next question, how to get the 2? If I go for 12 modulus 10. So what happened? It is 1, 10, then 2. I can got the value 2. If I go for 12 modulus 10, then I got the value, that is 2. Then 1 modulus 10. Similarly, we can get the value of 1. Now 3 plus 2 plus 1. So we know how to get the individual value. Next question, first we want, that is the n value 1, 2, 3, then 12, then 1. How to get 12 from which value? That is 1, 2, 3. If I divided by 10, then what happened? As we know in C programming, it truncated. As of you now, you may think that it is 12.3. No. In C programming, what happened? It truncates the fractional value. So if you go for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 divided by 10 means 123 by 10, then what is the output? Output is 12. Similarly, if I go for 12 divided by 10, then what happened? Output display, that is a 1. It will not 1.2, because reason is that in C programming, it will truncate the fractional value. So we know. So each and everything we can able to do. So what happened? We have to initialization n equal to whatever value. Each and every iteration we have to take the remainder value, add in the sum. Then after one iteration, we have to divide n by 10. This is the logic you have to follow. And we have to initialization the sum value equal to 0. Otherwise, what happened? Whatever total value may not be correct. Because initially, if some value is except the 0 value, then there is a chances of wrong answer. So we have to make the sum equal to 0. So we have to initialization integer n, sum equal to 0. Then while, so here what happened? One after one, if you go for divided 0, then what is the value? 0. So termination condition is our 0. So while n is not equal to 0, what we have to do? We have to make the sum. Each and every iteration we have to make this remainder value. So we can make the sum equal to sum plus n modulus 10. Whatever 10 value, it will be stored. Then we have to got the value 12 from 112 to 3 means 123. Then next iteration, it should be 12. How to do it? 123 divided by 10. So we have to write down, that is the n equal to n divided 10. Okay. So whatever we scan the value, scan a percent d and percent n is going to be stored the value. So this is the initial. So after scanning, what happened? This is the initialization of while loop. This is the termination of the while loop. This is the next iteration of the while loop. The same thing we can write in a for loop also. So let's do the program. First we have to write down the comment line, that is the program to calculate, let the sum of digit of a given number. Then we have to include the header file. As I have already told you that standard input output header file, first one is for the printf scanner, onio.h is for the getcs function. Let's start the main function. The main function does not take any parameter, but it returns the integer value. Here we have to declare the two variables, that is n and sum. So we declare here integer n to store the value, or we can write down num as per our choice. We can write down. Then sum is the variable we store the summation of the digit of a given number. Then we have to read the value. So printf new line. After that, one tab should be present to read the value. Then we scan the function. Scan a percentage ampersand n. Once we read the value, so what happened? We have to write down the while statement. Here, this is the while. N is not equal to 0, sum equal to sum plus n mod 0. So this is the remainder, means individual digit. So then we have to go for n equal to. So while n is not equal to 0, this is the termination of the while loop. Then what we have to do? We have to make the sum equal to sum plus n modulus 10. Then n equal to n divided by 10. Printf new line, sum of equal to percentage. This is the output screen. So which value it will print? It will print the sum value. Then get ch, then return 0. Let us compile the program. When we compile the program, so we'll get this output. So here what happened? First line integer n and sum. So this should declare two variables. Then printf, please enter the number. So output screen is please enter the number. After that one tab. So your cursor is here. Here I have to enter the value. I enter the value 4345. So individual digit means 3 plus 4, that is 7, 7 plus 5, that is a 12. So output will be this display sum of digit is 12. So we got the correct answer. So this is our main function. As I have already told, the control started execution from the top to bottom. So first line is executed. Here what happened? N and sum is there. So n is a variable is declared, as well as sum is another variable is declared. Store the value is 0. Please enter the number. For example, this is our output screen. So it will ask us, please enter the number. After that, 8 space. We enter 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So I enter the value 3, 4, 5. Scan a person. So it will, why n is not equal to 0? N is not equal to, yes, it is true. If it is true, then what happened? The body of the while loop is executed. Here sum equal to sum plus. As this is the assignment operator, first right hand side will be performed. Parenthesis means this operator is executed first n modulus 10. n modulus 10 means 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 modulus 10 means 10. This is 34. 304, remainder is 5. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 5. 5 is added with the sum. What is the sum value? Sum value is 0. Sum. So now it is sum. Then next line will be executed, n equal to n divided by 10. Division. Divided by 10 means now is divided by 10. So what is the value right now? 34, because it truncates the fractional value. Now n value is 34. Go to ending curly bracket, starting curly bracket. N is not equal to 0. 34 is not equal to 0. Yes, it is true. If it is true, the body of the loop will be execute. So right hand side will be assigned to the left hand side, assignment operator. So n modulus 10. What is the n? 34. The 34 modulus 10 what? 3. This is 30. Remainder is 4. So remainder is 4. So 4 added with the sum and store inside the sum. So 4 plus 5 plus 4, that is the 5. Right now store the value of 9. After that, n equal to n divided by 10. Next line will be executed. Now it is divided by 10. So what is the value? 3, because it truncates the fractional value. So it will not 3.5, 3.4, it is 3. Go to the end. So 3 is not equal to 0. Yes, it is true. If it is true, then body of the while loop is executed. So sum equal modulus 10. Then what happened? It is 0, 0, remainder is 3. So 3, then what happened? 3 plus sum. What is the sum? Right now it is 9. After 9, what happened? 9 plus 3. What is the value? 12. Then n equal to n divided by. So 3 divided by 10, what is the value? 0. It will go to n to the. Then starting curly bracket, n is not equal to 0. Right now n is equal to 0. So it will be stop here. Then next line, printf n. So what happened? Output here, new line will be created. Next, the printf new line. So what happened? New line will be created. Then sum of digits is equal to percentage sum. What is the sum? Right now sum store which value? Sum is right now 12. So output is displayed 12. So this is the way the program is executed by the compiler. Hope you